Hello everyone. Today we are at Rishikesh and this was our Airbnb, Ganga Sthal Apartments. You might have never seen an Airbnb like this. I'm sure about that. The reason is you will have to watch till the end. This is the home cleaning almirah. At the entrance there was the key lock. You need to enter your lock. Only then you can take out the keys. This was the washing machine and the dryer. You can't hang your clothes outside. That is why. So this is washroom 1, more like a powder room. This is room 1 entrance. A bed. As you can see near the window, there was a big sofa. A medium almirah. Extra bedding. Hangers. A small showpiece like almirah which has a mirror. Hair dryer and toilet paper. Next we'll show you the washroom of the first bedroom. So it is a 2 BHK. This is the bathing area. It has basic toiletries. Towels were really clean. This is the big window sofa. You can sit here, enjoy the outside view. And this is the view of the society. They have only one parking area, so you need to plan accordingly if you are visiting this property. This is room 2, almost the same size. This is the washroom of room 2. A small showpiece almirah. Mirror, side tables and almirahs, smaller than room 1 because they have this additional door which opens into the lobby. Yes, this is the door. And this is the lobby area, which again has these almirahs. So storage space was quite well. There was iron. Then the sitting area, common area which has a good sized TV, and they have all the subscriptions in the TV. I don't know if the last owner had subscribed or they provide. You look at that outside view from the window, big window. This is the dining table and this is the kitchen. Had a toaster, kettle, water bottles, a running gas connection, water purifier, hob, chimney, microwave. This was all they provided. What I think was, if you are traveling with kids and all, you need to carry your basic supplies. They don't provide basic supplies. Even milk was not there in the fridge. This was all the cutlery, glasses and all. All spoons and everything was there. This is the utensils. More cutleries. And this is the outside view from the window, which was exceptionally good. You can sit there for hours. This is the private balcony sort of thing. Now the best part, which I was telling you about. Just coming outside this apartment, you walk straight through this door. The gate you see is all the gated society part. This is your private area. This you have this garden, another garden, and in both the gardens there was temple. See, you can see there as well. Now after crossing this gate, now this is a public area. Okay, this is the public area. Now you have to wait where the stairs led us to. See, you can see the barbed wires and everything. See. And that is the Ganges River for you, my dear viewers. See how close we are to the Ganges River. This is where the Ganga Aarti happens every day. See, you can literally just walk down to the Ganges, sit here in the evening and enjoy the view. The place is super peaceful, only vegetarian food, no loud noise allowed. It is a gated society. You cannot sit outside and play loud music. So if you want to rejuvenate with family, have a peaceful time, I think this is the one of the best Airbnbs I have stayed so far. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.